AI doesn't know anything. AI
artificial.
studies. Yes. Do you
AI
know-
depends on who's putting the data.
Do you know predictive text on your phone? Where it knows what word is gonna be next when you're typing a message? Like if I say, I can just start typing stuff into my phone, right?
Oh my god, I had that. What's the name of that little thing?
Which? That one is, Alfie. There was also, PXL2. Or 2XL, rather. That is it. So, my phone right here is guessing what I want to say to my friend here, right? And it already says hey. So I tap hey. And it thinks that the next thing I'm going to want to type is either hey guys or hey man, right? Because I've typed those things before. So it's just guessing that that might be